Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 9:21 p.m. 2025 and this is my third try making a reel over Instagram, but unfortunately I don't have enough space. My phone space is lower than my brain space because I have all unwanted stuffs in my phone. So also let me get that straight. This is my third time trying to make a public account till a man tries to destroy it by polluting my comment section with their villainous thoughts and comments and insights that I don't wish to listen to. They are so disappointing. I am not shocked. I am not surprised. Sorry. Not sorry. Okay. So, what was I talking about? Yeah. This is my hairband that I don't use much because it will be ruined, and now my roommate is laughing at me because there are times in my life over this last 7 months that I've tried to make videos that end up in utter flops, just like me. Opa. No names. And okay, so this hairband was gifted to me by my pretty sister. I don't use it much because I don't like the color green, but I love Slytherin of Harry Potter. Also, if my mom sees me talking so much with face pack, then she'll start yelling, "Rupal, don't."
नॉर्मल कैमरा में शूट करो.
I can't use a camera because वहाँ पे भी space नहीं होगा. Don't you understand? Use Snapchat. This is take 2. So, if you, what was I talking about?
We're talking about your mom actually.
Yeah. So my mom will yell at me like, "Rupal, don't you know you need to keep your mouth shut and not talk when you have face pack on your face because you'll get wrinkles." But if I had ever listened to mom or anyone, I would have been in a better place. But no, I am in a deep abyss high of depression, darkness, anxiety, whatever fancy names you have for sadness and isolation. So, let's talk about my hobbies. I have 5 hobbies that I don't know the names of. One of them is gym. So, let me start my very sad story of how I started gymming and how I have this great body with huge muscles. My journey started in 2017 when my tata called me. My dad, he called me AGP ka hati pwali. He used to call me AGP ka hati pwali. See, nothing affects me at all. Not my dad. This is nothing to laugh about, okay? Being called an AGP Hatipwali is not a flex. Take 3, my camera got cut off because something 60 seconds का video होता है शायद Snapchat में. Okay, let me talk about AGP. AGP is Ahom Gana Porikhod. If you are from Assam, you will know what is AGP. मेरा battery भी खत्म हो रहा है. Let me talk fast. I have lots of things to talk about. So, Ahom Gana Porikhod is one of the popular parties in Assam. And their political sign is an elephant, and my dad used to call me AGP Hatipwali, which translates to elephant's child. But you know whose child I am? My dad's. So who is a Hati here? My dad. Don't show my dad this video. My title will be cut off. Never mind. So I was sent to gym with my mom because my parents are fitness freaks. They don't look their age, okay? I look way past my age. My parents, my sibling don't look their age. I look way past my age because a mature mind needs a mature body and a mature face. Now no one will comment that I don't have a mature mind. I am mature in my heart.
So funny.
Okay, we need to go. So what was I talking about? Yeah, so I started religiously going to gym after 2022 because I finished my bachelor's and I had nothing better to do. So what to do? बेरोजगारी में बॉडी बनाई जाए, तो I started gymming. I used to go to gym. I had my trainer. Take 4, guys. So I had this gym. I kind of wanted my mom wanted me to take personal training, but my mom is more interested in gym than me. I tell her I don't do leg days because it hurts my legs, and she's like, no, you need to do leg day, your legs will become strong. Okay. Yeah, you know, I sometimes feel like I am the millennial here, and my mom, I don't know if my mom is millennial or I am my mom's mom and my mom is my child. So so after all these 3 years of extreme gymming, extreme research, extreme food analysis, I have discovered I go to gym to ego lift. I go to gym to get compliments from girls. When I used to go to gym in my hostel back in my university, like 2 years back to 1 year back, I mean to say, there were girls who were complimenting me and saying, wow, you have such a nice body, wow, you have so much strength. Little do they know I do ego lift a lot, and also I still do ego lifting. I use the PR weights left by big bulky men as my warm-up set, because when you do ego lifting with no correct form, if I do ego lifting with no correct form, it kinds of brings enlightenment to my heart. I feel so happy because with the correct form I won't be able to ego lift. So you have to get it done anyway. You have to show your ego. Okay, so what was I talking about? After everything, see, I'll tell you what, there are so many stuffs in the market: creatine, BCA, MCA, creatine, protein, pre-workout, fish oil, something. At the end of the day, you know how you can lose weight. I'll tell you how. I have tried so many techniques. I have done progressive overload. I have tried starvation. I have tried intermittent fasting. I have tried weightlifting, strength training, OMAD, water fast, juice fast, smoothie fast, something, बहुत सारे things. At the end of the day, everything boils down to one uneventful events. So I'll tell you the secret ingredient to losing weight. How I lost 10 kilos in 1 month. You can lose 10 kilos in 1 month if you have self-hatred, if you are isolating yourself, if you are not eating any solid food, starvation, any solid food. If you are sleeping, if you are sad. So that's that. So nothing compares to being sad and losing weight. All this costly creatine something. See, I use all this stuff, okay? Don't tell my mom. I use all this stuffs when I wish to, because obviously I don't like the taste of bricks. I don't like the taste of creatine. I don't like the taste of protein. I don't want to have a routine of eating these stuffs to supplement my body. So first step is to be sad. When you are sad, you will sleep, and if you will be asleep, you won't be able to eat, and if you won't be able to eat, your appetite will go low maybe, and or you will lose weight. So that's that for today, I guess. If I don't come up with anything extraordinarily unnecessary to speak about, yeah, that's it. So here I'll just speak stuffs that I talk to everyone about. I am one oversharing person, okay? Oh, also, if you do skincare, it doesn't mean that your life will be cared upon. जितना भी try कर लो, if you are so self-destructive and self-sabotaging, all this skincare, the niacinamide, vitamin C, retinol, blah blah, drinking so much water, this that won't affect you unless and until you are not sad. But if you are sad, you will lose weight. If you are not sad, you will have a glowing skin. So choice is yours. If you want to lose weight, guys, these are my opinions that I speak without a second thought. I always speak without a second thought, because